Ever bend your fingers and pop? Your body just played a sound effect. But why do our joints crack? Inside your joints, there's a slippery fluid called synovial fluid that keeps everything moving smoothly. It's loaded with dissolved gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide. When you stretch or bend a joint just right, you change the pressure in that space. Those gases suddenly form little bubbles. And when the bubbles collapse, pop. That's the cracking sound. And no, it's not your bones grinding, unless you've had a really bad day. Despite what grandma says, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Studies show no real link, though doing it non-stop might still annoy everyone around you. So next time your joints pop, just remember, it's tiny gas bubbles throwing a microscopic party in your body.